What's up guys, Chris Mems here, aka Muscle Mems. Welcome to the video. You already know what it is by the title. We're about to change out the front end of this Toyota 4Runner 2019. So, package came in the mail today. I'm gonna show you guys what it is in a second, and we're gonna dive right into this. But first, I just got off from work. I gotta get this home workout in. It's a back and bicep workout. Hope you guys enjoy this little clip. Let's go. Big boy wheels, deep ditch hundreds, you know, we won't buy them just to look at, you know. Yeah, that was taxing. It's been a while since I did some deadlifts, but we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna get back the way we were. I think my all-time PR, 500 pounds for one rep. Decent. I'm happy with it. We'll get back there. It's time, let's unbox the new package. So this package came from Overland Depot, also known as 4Runner Lifestyle. Show you guys what we got. I mean, we already ordered some stuff for the 4Runner. We already have on there like the Predator tubes, tent, and the black overlays. But this right here will probably change everything. So I'm gonna take it all out, and I'm gonna tell you guys what we purchased. Alright, I'll show you guys when I get all this other bubble wrap. This right here is pretty, actually, yeah, just stay tuned. So, boom, first piece. You guys might not recognize it yet. Okay guys, taking the second piece out. Okay, we're getting closer. Okay, so we chose something a little different for this grill. Toyota normally has the silver on the grill, the TRD Pro. That's what this is, the TRD Pro grill for 2019. But we went with the black. So I'll show you guys these once we put these on. But here they are. Last but not least, a little addition. Might put them on today, might not. We'll just see how it all works out. But these are the Raptor lights. I know everybody has mixed emotions with Raptor lights. We went with the 3. We'll see how it looks, and then we'll just go from there. So yeah, let's put everything right here. Okay guys, so this is everything laid out. This is the top part of the grill. This is the middle part, which doesn't say Toyota yet. That'd be one of the first things I do. And then this is the Raptor lights. So I think what I'm gonna start with first is I'm gonna put the letters on the grill. Let's make sure we get those perfect and straight.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Looking for the spelling of Toyota to make sure I put this on this grill.
You don't know how to spell Toyota?
I do.
How you spell
but
it?
I ain't trying to mess this up.
How you spell?
Toyota. Okay guys, so these letters have little notches in the back. And the grill has little notches right here. Hopefully it's as easy as lining these up. I saw videos in the past and people think they're not coming out so well. So I'm gonna take my time and hopefully I do not crook my letters. Toyota letters on here. I think they're pretty straight. I went through and pressed over them, make sure they're down really good. Yeah, it looks pretty straight, right? What you guys think? It's pretty straight. Comment below. Or hit thumbs up on the video. Okay guys, so for the next step, I'm putting the Raptor lights in. Already got a head start and put 2 of them in. But they're not screwed down, which you need a Phillips head screwdriver. But I'll show you guys how I put them in here. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. But slide this piece in where you want it to go. Cord, and then the back of the housing, and then it fits in pretty good. Now I just have to screw it down. I thought when I purchased these, it said these were already going to be installed, but as you see, they're clearly not. So maybe I misread that. I have to go back on the website and check. But yeah, let's get these installed. Don't lose no screw, because there ain't no extra ones. Okay guys, so I got all the Raptor lights installed. I still haven't ran the wire, but here's the quick connects right here. So this is done. This is done. So now it's time to pop the hood and let's take the old one off and get this one ready to put on. Okay, so next, I gotta take all these little rivets out, which you just push them in. And then, I don't think this is gonna be as easy as I just made that look. I lied to you guys, it actually is, but we forgot these ones right here. Let's pull this up gently. This is the last one, of course it'll be a problem. And I think that's all of them. And then the cover is out of the vehicle. That was pretty simple. Okay guys, so I had to go grab a little light. You know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't go headlamp fashion like that right there to get in these dark, hard to reach spaces. You guys use what you want, but this is my preference right here. Okay guys, so for this bolt right here, you're gonna need this 10mm. Apply that there. And then put it on left, and you're gonna loosen it. You're gonna loosen that up. For the next step, you got these little rivets here and over there, and even down here. These seem pretty tough to get actually. So I'm gonna use my combination of my hand pushing up from the bottom with a flathead screwdriver. And we're gonna repeat that step for all of these inside of here. Let's double check. I think that's all of them. About to find out.
How many was it?
It is 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Okay, guys. So next step, we're gonna pop the top piece off. I've seen it done on video, and it sounds a little scary. So I'm gonna take my time. I don't wanna mess anything up. That's it though. Still got it. That's one side. That's two sides. Now we just gotta get the centerpiece. We got it. We got it. Okay, so next I have to take this old grill out, right, which is being held on right here. This whole top piece is gonna come out, so this piece can go in. Okay, so next you have to take all of these little screws out, right? These right here, these screws are gonna come out because they're gonna go into the new grill. Okay guys, so all the screws are out. They're right here. I even took out the piece that was hanging right here. And now, we're gonna attach the two pieces. Simple as that. Super simple. Last little piece right here hanging over. Voila. So this is the old grill. And now we're about to install the new top grill. This is the piece that came off of the old top grill. This is the new top grill. Take this piece, lay it over this piece, and it's gonna snap in. Obviously, you know, you gotta line these holes up, get it all snapped in the place it's supposed to go. And then once it's all snapped in, we're gonna reinstall the screw. Okay guys, so next step, we're gonna put this part of the grill on. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tape off, but we're only gonna take the tape off the middle piece, right? Until we get the line up correct on the body of the car. Make sure this is actually, so double check that because some of that adhesive is kind of off. All that off. Just, see that piece started to come? Let's make sure that's steady. For these top two pieces, we're not gonna take them all the way off. So we're just gonna take them off enough to where we have a grip on them, like this. So they hang over the top. So when we put this on, we'll have maximum play where we can still move it a little if we need to. So you're just gonna hang on to these, just like this. And then we're gonna line this up. Big step. Take a deep breath. Okay, so we got this piece on. It's pretty center. Small gaps on each side. But now what we're gonna do is lift up on these and take this off slowly. We're gonna repeat the same thing for this side. Lift up. Take it off slowly. And then once we have it off, we're gonna repress everything. Okay guys, so next, we're gonna reinstall the top piece. We're gonna put everything back where it goes. So we'll just get some footage of this for you guys. But everything is going back where it came from. So it's just simple steps from here on out. connect the Raptor light. Just put it in place. We're gonna put all these little rivets back where they go. Okay guys, so I'm finally done. I did wire these Raptor lights. There's multiple ways to do it. I did not show you guys it. Did not show you guys how I did it in this video. Okay guys, final test. Let's start it up and see if these Raptor lights work. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do like the final product. Like I said, we're gonna add some more stuff eventually put together, but I'm satisfied with what it is so far. If you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed me showing you a little bit of entertainment, showing you how I did it, how I put in my TRD Pro grill, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you guys for watching. As always, stay true, and I'll see you guys in the next one.